Hi guys, this is John Adamson, the Rehab and Documentation Guru, making yet another video on my driveway. Talking today again about maintenance, and this is related to an email that I got yesterday. It was kind of funny. I did the video on maintenance yesterday, and I got an email that I answered last night. Here's the gist of the email. A clinician was told by their boss that they could not do maintenance therapy. And this is in a long-term care SNF setting. And I said, my response was basically this: we have a legal and ethical responsibility to provide maintenance care. It is the law. In fact, it was held up by a federal court. If you are receiving Medicare money for Part A and Part B in a SNF, home health, and outpatient setting, it is the law that you provide maintenance therapy if a patient is requiring it. Provided, of course, that you have the therapists that are capable of doing that. What I mean is licensed therapists, not assistants. So if you have therapists, they're providing restorative care under Part A and Part B in those three settings, then you have a legal responsibility to do it. You also have an ethical responsibility. If we have the capability of doing something and we don't do it, we have just committed neglect of the patient. So I just told this therapist they got to stick to their guns. The regs are there. I gave them all the regulations related to it. And if you're finding difficulty in this particular area, let me give you a really easy way to talk with your boss about the legal reasons for doing maintenance therapy. Go to the Center for Medicare Advocacy. The Center for Medicare Advocacy is a group of lawyers. They're based, I think, in Alexandria, Virginia, right outside DC. They helped represent Glenda Jimmo in the maintenance case. So they were one of the plaintiffs, and they advocate for Medicare recipients, and they have toolkits that are primarily designed for the patient, but are certainly beneficial to a clinician for maintenance therapy in the home health setting, SNF setting, and outpatient setting. And of course, outpatient, Part B, affects long-term care residents that get care under Part B. So these toolkits will give you everything you need: regulations, the Jimmo decision, even ways to support the necessity of a maintenance case. The big thing always is pay attention to the things I talked about on the video yesterday. So use this video as an adjunct to the one I did yesterday. But anyway, ethical responsibility to provide maintenance therapy if your patient needs it. End of discussion. No boss, no facility can tell you otherwise. I hope that was strong enough. Have a great day.